I want to show you how I make money from the crypto market without any stress. With crypto features, I've been making money for several years now and I want to share my experience with you. In this video, you will be able to learn how you can take signals from any platform or any market that you are using, and also how you can place them into your features wallet. How you'll be able to create your features wallet will also be shown on this platform. And people will ask, how do you get your USDT or how do you buy your crypto before you trade? All of that is solved inside this video, so I would like you to watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any step where I show you everything you need to know about futures trading and how you can get started and make money like I'm also doing. I'll just go off to this CoinW over here and then I'll just click on it. So as you can see over here, this is a platform where we'll be able to make a lot of money, where we trade our money over here. People have been doing copy trading and the rest, but what we do is futures trading over here, and it's the same thing that I'll be introducing to you guys and how you can make money off it right now. So this is the trade that I give to my VIP members this morning. So we have it over here. This is the trade over here. Now you can see everything is over here. I told them to buy this coin over here, and then I told them to buy APT over here. They are different coins, and all they need to do, I'll just show you what you have to do on this platform right here to be able to make a lot of money online. So the first thing is to register your account. So register your account, and the next thing is to deposit your money on this application. You can see, let me just click on this spot trading over here, or spot account, and then you can see I have some money here. This is about 13 USDT, which I'll be using to trade on this platform. You can see 12 USDT right here, and then I'll be using the same money to trade. But if you are not able to have any coin, or you don't have money inside this application, just go off to your Google Play Store or your Google Chrome, just your Google Chrome, and then you type, let me just go here. So you can type www.cryptovipro, especially if you are in Ghana. You just click on this cryptovipro.com and you go ahead to buy your coin over here. Once you buy your coin, this is a platform where you'll be able to buy and then you sell your coin over here. So just click on trade now and you move ahead to go to this place to buy your coin. So buy, and then you buy USDT, and you click on this place to make your payment, anyone that you can pay with. Once you pay, you go ahead and click on any amount of coin that you want to use, then you enter the address over here. So the address, you need to go back to this platform and click on this place where we have the, let me just go back from here and go to this place where we have the asset over here. So we can see asset over here. So I'll just click on deposit, and then once I click on deposit, they will be giving me my address where I'll be able to send money to them. So I'll just click on USDT and I'll just tap on this one over here. Once I tap on it, I can just get this one over here. So TRC20, and I'll grab this code over here. This is it. So I'll just click on this place to copy the address, then I'll go back to this Crypto VI Pro and paste this one over here. So paste over here, I'll just paste, and then I go ahead to enter my name, my last name, and my WhatsApp number. If you are entering your WhatsApp number, make sure to put your country code, and and then you go ahead to click on this email address over here, and then you say that you are not a robot, so you have it over here. Once you are done, you just click on trade, and they'll be asking you, and they'll be telling you that thank you for contacting us and the rest like that. You just an order, and once you are done, they will go ahead to send the coin to your platform for you after you have paid. So once you get your money here, all that I just did right now is for you to learn how you can deposit your money over here. So if you already have your money on Binance or Kraken or any platform at all, just transfer it to this place, and then you use the same deposit method to be able to get your money here. Once you come to this place, let me just click on this place where we have the futures. You click on futures, and then you have all the element over here. You can see all the coins are over here, and you can trade any coin at all that you want to trade, and you just have to search. Once you search, you'll be getting the same coin over here. You see everything is working perfectly, and then we have the cross margin, we have the market, we have the isolated. So I'll just click this one, and you can see this what I said. You can see you have up to 200 leverage over here. You see 200x leverage, and it is very much important that this platform is giving us this up to this amount, and then I am very much grateful. So what I need to do next is to go to this place where I will deposit my money. So here I need to deposit my money before I go ahead to do anything else. So let me just click on this place, and I'll deposit my money from my spot wallet or my
from my assets. So we have my money on assets. So let me just click on this place and then I see. So okay, none is showing over here. So I'll need to change my money from spot to asset. So let me just go back from here and then I click on asset over here. Once I reach this place, I'll just click on scroll this one to overview. So overview is here and then I have the spot over here. So spot, and then I'll transfer it. I'll just click on transfer over here and I'll transfer this coin from the spot to asset. So I'll just enter this place. This is the USDT and I'll click on all to get everything and then I'll confirm. Once I click on confirm, the coin has been transferred. Now I can just go back to my futures and I'll click on this place again and then I have my asset and futures. So it is over here. This is the asset. I have 12.2 and I'll just click on this place. So confirm, and you see confirm is right here. So transfer successful. Now I have my coin and then I can transfer or trade with 12 USDT on this platform. And as a sensible trader, I can trade with 1 USDT per trade or even 0.5 USDT per trade, so that I'll be able to make more money and also protect my capital at all costs. So here we have it over here and then I can just click on this place and I'll be seeing the candlesticks and everything showing over here. Now the next thing that I can do is to just go off to this platform. So every time I give signals to my VIP members, so this is it over here, this is one of them, and I'll be entering the same details on my CoinW application over here and we'll be super cool with it. So we have been making money inside our VIP group and every time people are making money. So you can join if you want to join my VIP group and you'll be super cool with it. You'll be happy trading with me. So we have the GRT over here. So GRT, let me just search for that coin and see if this CoinW has it. So we have the, let me just click on this and then we have GRT. So GRT is not available on this CoinW. So the next thing is to search for this one, APT. So APT, let me just search for this one, APT. That coin right here was for what's the name, Binance. We were trading on Binance and KuCoin, so this one is not actually available on CoinW, but we have the APT. So I just click on the APT over here and we do the same things over here. So before you trade, you need to do your market analysis. So I always use TradingView to be able to determine the movement of the market and where I should place my trade, my stop loss, my entry price, and then my take profit. I'll just have to set everything with my TradingView before I go off to any coin at all to buy. So that's it. Once I have the coin, I'll just go and look at the market, set my orders, do all my technical analysis, then set my stop loss and take profit. Then I share it to my VIP members and we all have been making a lot of money from these things over here. Now I'll just click on this place where I have the market. So we have the market, so I'll have to click on market. If you are setting it to the limit over here, it just means that you are setting it in future prices. Maybe it can be the future price can be up to an amount and then you can set it that when it gets to this amount, then my coin should sell or it should buy. So that's it, and I'll be buying over here. So I'll just click on this market. Market just means that the instant or the actual price of the coin when you are trading. So I'll just click on this place where I have the volume or the leverage over here and then I'll just select 50%. So 50%, and then I'll just click on confirm. So confirm. But the first thing I want to look at again is to go to this place. You see we have the leverage. Let me just see cross margin. So we have cross margin. Cross margin just means that anytime you are trading and then the trade is going against you, all the funds inside your account are all included, you see. But if you use isolated, it just means that the amount that you have set for the trade, that's the only amount that will be taken from the account. But cross margin is very good because you can use it to take your stop loss and the rest, and if anything should go against you, the funds inside the account can also save you. But that is where stop loss is very very much important when you are using the cross margin, because if you don't set stop loss, you will lose everything if the trade should go against you and the money that you have inside the account. So that's it, and then I'll just select this crossover here and then I'll select 50 leverage over here. So confirm, and the next thing that I have to do is to just click on the amount of coin that I want to use per trade. So I'll just scroll this one over here. We have this one over here, so I'll just scroll and get to this place. So let me just scroll over here and go back, and you can see we now have 10, that's 9%, and then my my trading money is 1 USDT over here, 1.0 here, 1.0660 over here, and then I'll just click on buy. So buy now. And yeah, so we can now see, so this is the money over here, and this is our active trade over here. You'll be seeing how much you are winning over here, and then you can see the percentage money that is going off your account. If it is in green, that means you are in profit, and then if it is in red, that means again that you are losing your money. So anytime you want to share it to somebody, you can just click on this place where we have the share over here. Once you click on share, you'll be able to download this one over here. Once you download, save image, and then you can share it to everybody at all that you want to share it with, and then you'll be super cool with it. Once you are done, just go off to this place where we have the take profit or stop loss. So let me just click on that, and then we have it over here. So I'll just click on this place. When we are talking about the trailing stop loss and this one over here, it just means that when the trade is going on, you are setting a price that if it should go up, then you are setting a price that when it drops to another level, then should automatically close. And that's the same as the stop, that's the limit order kind of thing. So I'll just go off to this place where we have the take profit and stop loss, and I'll just go off to this place. So set take profit. So I'll just click on this place, and I'll just go back to my WhatsApp over here, and then you see take profit, and then we have different prices over here. If you are using Binance, you'll be able to learn how to do multiple take profit, or if you are inside my VIP group, you'll be able to learn how to do double take profit. So this ones over here, if it were to be Binance, I'll be able to enter all of these things over here, but I don't know how it is on this CoinW. So I'll just go off to the number 3. I'll take the take profit number 3, that's 7.9338 over here. So I'll just set it over here. So 7.9338, that's the take profit, and then I'll just go back to this place where I have the stop loss. So stop loss price, and then I'll set this one. So 6.727. Let me just go back from here. 6.727, and that's the price. So I'll just click on this place, that's it, and then I'll confirm. So I'll just click on confirm. It should be on market, so this one should be on market. So I'll just click on confirm, and voila, you can see so successfully changed, and then we have these things over here. Our trade is in positive, and then very soon it will reach 10%, 50%, 100%, even up to 200% or 500%, and then I'll just close my market over here. But you should learn how to trade, and then I'll be providing you, if you are not yet my VIP member. Once you are done, you'll be seeing your stop loss and take profit showing over here, and you'll be super cool with it. If you need to close this trade, just click on this place where we have the close position, and you just close and it will just close everything, and that's it. That is how you can trade on CoinW futures, and then you'll be super cool. So make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and then you turn on the notifications bell so that anytime I upload again, it will come to you first.